Okay, first and foremost, let me apologize. It is busy in Blackout Bill's backyard. I got neighbors, I got wives with hedge clippers, I got kids screaming, but I'm excited. I want to get the 10 horsepower in the barrel. Check it out. We got the pressure tank, new lines, new gaskets, hooked up, ready to go. Don't even know how to use the thing. The little button I'm pressing, I'm waiting for fuel to fill in the bowl there. Finally fills up. Let's see if we get this thing running. I'm stoked, but I'm nervous and I'm not optimistic. Over pressurizing? I don't know. Oh, good. Left is choke. Maybe just get a sputter. Full start to break out. Plugs across. Check the spark. Getting in the tank wrong. I don't see any leaks. Okay, we got compression spark there. That was nice. More fuel. Okay, very crampy. So it wants to go. Pump more fuel. I don't know if I'm going to flood it in or not. That hurts. Okay, that indicates. That usually means the spark plug is across. When it does that, I'm going to need a break from pulling anyway. But it did crank. That's a great sign. That's a good sign. We could just get it to turn before my heart gives out. Turn the half. 1. That's 1.5. Now they're crossed. Now the spark plug wires are crossed. It wants to fire. Maybe it was gonna fire that one. That's my guess on that one. Okay, so now this shouldn't be crossed. Okay, somehow my high-speed needle was closed. Not closed, but maybe open like an 1/8. So I opened it up 3/4 of a turn. I think it's supposed to be 3/4 out. So it's out 3/4 of a turn out. I primered up the can a little more. And let's see what happens. Lives 59 Evinrude, 10 horsepower. Man, that's a crawl too. That is a crawl. Let's check the water flow. Flowing water, excellent. Pumping water, nice. Crawl of an idle. I'm not happy with the plates, bro. Little loose there. Running on the old pressure tank. New spark plug wires, do everything. Points, condensers, coils. Check first gear. Throttle's down, nice. Real low idle. Still pumping water. Quick reverse. All right, 59 looks good. Clean up these needles here. Clean her up, we'll put everything back together, correct? We're still gonna put the top of the bowl on, change this all stuff's gonna come out and re-back assembled, but looks good, looks good. It's like a win for Blackout Bill here. lowest crawl you'll ever get. Still pumping excellent water. Looks good. Can't wait to get this one on the water. Thanks for guys for watching. All right. 10 horsepower is in the books. Let's get it on the water. Thanks for enduring me, guys. Subscribe. This circle right here. Hit it. Hit it. You guys are awesome. I'll check you in the next motor video.